Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the video. आज हम चेक कर रहे हैं DJI Mic 2 का Bluetooth connectivity with phone. As I mentioned in my last video, जो DJI Mic 2 है, it also has a Bluetooth connectivity. That means you can connect it to your phone without any receiver. So let's test it out on my iPhone 12. एक मेरे कैमरा से कनेक्टेड है ट्रांसमीटर, दूसरा ट्रांसमीटर is still in the case. So Bluetooth connection के लिए let me first turn on the screen recording so I can show you how it works. Already screen recording is now on. So दूसरा ट्रांसमीटर मैंने लिया है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट यू नीड टू डू इज रिकॉर्ड बटन को आपको 3 सेकंड के लिए प्रेस करना है. सो इससे क्या होगा, जो लाइट है वो ब्लू टर्न हो गई है एंड नाउ यू हैव टू प्रेस द लिंक बटन फॉर सम टाइम. एंड जैसे ही ये लिंक बटन में प्रेस करूंगा यू कैन सी that the blue light is now blinking. Now I can go back to the phone Bluetooth settings में I can see DJI Mic 2 and इसको मैं connect कर लूंगा and the blue light will go solid and I can see that my DJI Mic 2 is now connected. So iPhone के अंदर एक drawback है, जो native camera app है that doesn't support Bluetooth mics. So what we can do is we can use a third party app like Movement या फिर Black Magic. And over here as you can see that मेरा Bluetooth mic की reading ऊपर show कर रहा है and you can see that whenever I'm talking to the mic it is showing the levels. So that's how you connect DJI Mic 2 and use it with your iPhone without using any receiver. इसमें levels जो है वो थोड़े से ऊपर जा रहे हैं, so I have to do settings इसका gain down करने के लिए. But overall this looks pretty fun. If you are just looking for a new mic, you can just order one transmitter and you can use it with Bluetooth. Make sure you are within the range of Bluetooth जो कि 100 से 150 meters होती है. It's not 2.4 GHz जो कि receiver के साथ होता है. But otherwise this is a pretty solid combination in my opinion. What do you think?